Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Saibi from class RA3 Management. This video I made to follow the English semester and procedure text, which is about the English and of semester text. That is, here I explain how to make tea. Ingredients: tea bag, hot water, sugar if needed, sponge, and cup. Step: first, put some hot water into a cup. Then, put the tea bag inside the hot water. Wait until the water turns brown. Put some sugar based on how you like it. Mix the tea until the sugar dissolves. Put away the tea bag. You can enjoy the tea with cookies or the snacks. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.